What's up, YouTube family? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. Today, I am very excited. I'm going to be sharing with you 2 different applications that are 100% free, that are 100% legit. They pay free PayPal cash directly to your PayPal account just for completing some very simple tasks from the comfort of your own couch. Some of them actually pay a little bit more if you're willing to go outside of your house and complete some simple tasks, but we'll get into that. I'm going to show you first and foremost some proof that these apps are 100% legit, and then we're actually going to dive into these apps, and I'm going to cast my phone to the screen and we'll show you exactly how these work and just how simple they are. But before we get too deep into this video, if you are brand new to my channel, please make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure that you click this bright red subscribe box right here. Make sure you hit this bell notification. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content, and I'm coming out with at least 2 very powerful videos every single week teaching you how to make money online. Now, also, if you're anything like me and you want to make some serious cash, I'm talking about life-changing results online where you can quit your job and have a life of freedom, make sure you follow this arrow right here where it says passive income, where it says learn how to make money online. Click that. That's where you want to get started if you want to have life-changing results. This is 100% what I'm doing online. I got started 5 months ago and I have had insane results. So if that interests you, check that out. Also, make sure that you smash that thumbs up if you find any valuable content in this video. It helps to grow my channel and helps to get this information out to as many people as possible. So without further ado, let's dive into this video. So a couple of things you're going to need to know before we get too deep into this video is you're going to need to have a smartphone or a tablet, and this can be an Android or an Apple device. So make sure that you have either one of those. If you have those, you're in the game. You can install these apps. They are 100% free and they are 100% legitimate, and I'm going to show you that right now. So let's jump over to their website here. The first app is called Make Money Earn Easy Cash app, and you can find this in the Apple App Store, and I will leave a link in the description of this video to both of these applications so that you can easily navigate to these home pages if you want to check this out for yourself. But I wanted to point out a few things on these pages really quick here just to show you how legitimate they actually are. The Make Money Earn Easy Cash app in the Apple App Store is ranked number 51 in lifestyle, and it has 4.9 stars, and 182,000 people have rated this app on the Apple App Store. So that's a lot of people rating this app that believe in it, that trust in it. This is 100% free PayPal cash for doing some very, very simple stuff, just like I said. So let's check this out in the Google Play Store as well. In the Google Play Store, this same app has 484,139 ratings, and again, it is rated about 4.5, somewhere in the 5-star range there. So that is, again, a ton of people checking this app out. So let's actually take a look at this application on my phone because I have both of these installed. I've tested them. They are super user-friendly and very easy to use. So let's check this out. Okay, so this is the first thing that you're going to see once you install this application on your phone. And I also want to point out that both of these applications that we're going to be discussing today give you 30 credits just for installing this app and setting up your account. So I want to come over here to the settings, and I want to click on how it works because it gives you a nice little breakdown of exactly what is happening here on this app. So the Make Money app is very easy to use. You're going to earn credits. Complete as many tasks as you can. Each task grants you credits that are redeemable for money. So all of this is redeemable for PayPal cash. And then you're going to cash out once you have enough credits to cash out. You can do so at the Payouts tab, and I'll show you that here in just a minute. And then number 3, enjoy your money. Payouts take around 3 working days and are paid directly to your PayPal account. We send a notification when the payment has been processed. So back over to the Make Money app home screen. This is what you see. And if you come over to where it says payouts, this is how many credits you have to accumulate, and this is the amounts that they pay out. So you have to hit at least 5,000 credits to get a $5 PayPal payout, a $10 or 10,000 credits to get $10, and then so on and so on. You can see they're right in front of you. Now, if you come back over to the home screen here that we're looking at right now, you can see that there are a bunch of different tasks right here. And now right up here at the top where it says attendance rewards, for checking in every single day, you're getting, I think, around 20 or 30 credits just for checking in on this app. And then they have their task of the day right here. You can get 1,000 credits just for doing this task right here. So this one is to install the Norton Secure VPN on your phone. You install that, and this is for new users only, and you get 1,000 credits. Now, going a little bit further down here, you can see some of the other things that they have. And if you just complete these easy tasks, some of them are actually games. So you can get paid 1,380 credits to play Words with Friends. I've played this game. It's super cool. That's a very, very simple way to get some credits very, very simply. If we just click on that one, I'm going to use this as an example. It gives you a description of exactly what you need to do to accumulate the 1,380 credits. You're going to play Words with Friends with 2 to 5 words, and then you're going to redeem your points. So very, very simple stuff here. And like I said, this can be done from the comfort of your own couch, wherever you have an internet connection and this app installed on your device. So a couple more things here I wanted to show you real quickly before we jump over to the next application is that you can actually get paid for inviting your friends to this application. Very, very simple to do. They're going to pay you 100 credits for every friend that you invite. So if we actually click on this right here, you can open this up and they tell you exactly what you need to do in every single one of these tasks. You're going to get 100 credits per friend that joins with your referral code and completes 2 tasks. You also, your referred friend also gets 20 extra credits just for typing in your referral code that's linked right down here. And then they have a nice little button to help you invite all of your friends to this application, because why wouldn't you want to invite them and have them earn free PayPal cash as well? Now, if we go back one, I also wanted to show you right down here where you can actually check out what your balance is. So you can do that by clicking this coin right up here at the top. And you can also do that by clicking right here where it says balance to see how many credits that you have accumulated. So if we click that, you can see here, I installed this application today, and just for registering, I was given 30 credits. For checking in, they gave me 20 credits, and then I watched like I think a 10-15 second clip. They gave me 2 credits just for doing that. So 52 credits just for signing up and setting this thing up, and it was very, very simple to do. This is very user friendly. Let's check out the other application that I have for you real quick, and like I said, it is very similar, so we'll go through it very, very quickly. Now, this second application that we're going to be discussing today is called simply the Money app, and that is exactly what's happening here. It is very, very similar to the first app. There's one small difference. It actually has a map within the application where you can actually go into your community and do some tasks within the community when you're out and about and earn some credits that way as well. Other than that, they are very, very similar, but we'll show you that when I dive into the app on my phone. I wanted to first show you just how legitimate this one is. It's ranked 129 in lifestyle in the Apple App Store. It has a 4.9 rating. 62,000 people have rated this app, and again, 100% free. If you go through here, it gives you some more details, but it's pretty much very, very similar to the first app that we just looked at. Now, looking at it in the Google Play Store, they have 174,000 ratings for this one, and then it has pretty much 5 stars as well. So people definitely trust this app to earn some extra free PayPal cash. So let's take a look at this on my phone so you can see exactly what's going on here. So once you install the Money app and you launch it on your phone, this is the home screen. This is exactly what you're going to be seeing once you open this application. I want to point out these different tabs right here on the bottom. The tasks tab right here is where you can see all the different tasks that they have available for you. As you can see, there's a ton there. These are very simple, easy tasks, just like the first application. If you come over here to where it says rewards, you can see exactly how many reward credits that you have. And again, 5,000 credits for $5, 10,000 for $10 of PayPal cash. So once you reach those minimum balances, you can request a payout. And then over here where it says menu, I want to take you to where it says how it works right here, because there is a little bit of a variation in this app, and it discusses this right in here. So you're going to be completing as many local tasks as you can. The tasks vary and are set by their partner companies. These can be checking retail prices, product availability, display evaluation, mystery shopping, completing surveys, and many other tasks as well. And then again, once you've reached those minimum balances, you can cash out by requesting that in the payouts tab, and they pay it directly to your PayPal account. And then you enjoy your money. Obviously, it takes around 3 working days to get paid directly to your PayPal account, and they send you a notification once that has happened. Now, one other quick thing I wanted to point out that's a little different than the first app that we were looking at is that you can actually go out into your community and complete some tasks that are nearby. So this is a great way that expands on the tasks that are available in this list right here. So the way that you do this is you click right here where it says map, and you want to make sure that you have your location settings turned on in your phone. And what's going to happen is you're going to see a bunch of little different tasks around where you're at, and you can click on those, and it's going to present you with exactly what you're seeing in this task list right here with instructions of exactly what they want you to do. So just another really quick feature that expands on all the different options that they have available. If you just kind of go through here, again, you can get paid for playing games, for sharing this on Facebook. And you want to make sure that you come down here to where it says more tasks as well. If you click on that, it actually opens up a bunch more tasks that they have available. You can see a bunch of different games and apps that you can install and get paid. This one right here, you're getting paid 2,000 credits just for installing this. Let's click on that one just to see what it says. So you're going to install Lucky Cat Paradise. You're going to continue playing it, and then you're going to complete all the way up to level 23, and you're going to earn 2,175 credits just for doing that. So if you like playing games or anything like that, this is a really cool way to get some fun, simple PayPal cash. So there you have it, YouTube family. That is 2 free applications that are 100% legit, that pay you free PayPal cash just for doing some very, very simple tasks. That's all I have for you today. If you've not already done so, make sure that you come through my channel here. I have tons of great content that I have posted to this channel that you can check out, that can teach you several different methods to make money online. That is all about what this channel is about. I'm posting at least 2 videos every single week. Make sure that you click this subscribe box, make sure that you've clicked this bell notification, and then make sure that you smash that thumbs up. You guys, I greatly appreciate every single like that I get. It helps to grow this channel and helps to get this information out to as many people as possible. And last but not least, make sure you check out my #1 recommendation to make money online right here where it says passive income. This is by far the #1 way that you want to make money online. That is life-changing results where you're going to be making thousands and thousands of dollars if you apply the techniques that I'm going to be teaching you right there in that link. Make sure you check that out. Like I said, that's all I have for you today. You guys have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.